Ay, alam mo yung feeling na andyan ka lang kapag convenient? Yung feeling na filler ka lang sa schedule nila. Kung feeling mo backup plan ka lang lately, stay tuned. Let's get real about the truths of being an option. What's up guys? Welcome back to the pod. Once again, this is Agua, mangungusap sa inyo. Today, medyo mapanakit ang topic natin, but we need to talk about it. Pag-uusapan natin yung reality ng pagiging option. First, truth. Hinahanap ka lang nila pag dry ang inbox nila. Kumbaga, boredom buster ka. Biglang magpaparamdam yan kapag walang ibang kachat, pag canceled yung plans nila with the main squad, or kapag nakatenga sila. It's not about you though. It's about them not wanting to be alone. Para kang yung extra rice na o-orderin lang kapag bitin pa sila. But you're never the main dish. Second truth. The mixed signals are actually clear signals. Aminin natin, we love to overanalyze. Like, bakit sweet siya kagabi? Tapos ngayon, sin na lang. Or, bakit last week ang dami niyang kwento, ang dami niyang nakwento sa akin, tapos ngayon ang tipid na niya. The truth is, inconsistency is the loudest message. Pag laging busy, pero may time sa iba, clear na yon. They're keeping you on the hook just in case their plan A doesn't work out. Wag mo nang gawa ng script o dahilan. The answer is in the inconsistency. Third, at ito ang pinaka-truth slap. You are actually teaching them na okay lang yan. Every time na sumasagot ka agad, kahit na 3 araw kanyang ini-ignore, you're saying, it's okay, I'll wait for you. When you allow yourself to be a choice, you're basically telling them na hindi mo kailangan ng priority status. But here's the thing. Being an option is actually a choice you're making for yourself. I know, aray diba? Pero at the end of the day, ikaw ang may hawak ng opt-out button. Hindi mo kailangang magsettle sa breadcrumbs or sa pag may time lang. You are a whole person. Hindi ka reserbate. Stop waiting for them to realize how amazing you are. Ikaw dapat ang unang makarealize nun. So, sa lahat ng nakikinig na pagod ng maging second best or pangalawa, it's time to choose yourself for once. Isara mo na yung pinto na bumubukas lang kapag may kailangan sila. So, yun lang for today guys. Thanks for tuning in. Kung tumagos man to sa puso mo, i-share mo na to sa friend mong marupok. Don't forget to follow me for more reality check. And remember, you are a priority, not a just in case. See you sa next episode. Bye!